Digital marketing solutions to get you noticed online. For any company or entrepreneur, digital marketing solutions are key to promoting your business and your brand. To simplify your digital marketing approach, here are 5 tips for getting yourself noticed online from us at AIM Internet. Number 1. Tell stories about your brand. Tell your customers about your business and why they need your products. To pique the reader's interest, give them a story, a human angle at the top. People love reading about people. Maybe use case studies to illustrate your stories. Make them funny, tragic, farcical, sad, but above all, interest them. They'll want to come back for more. Number 2, use different content. For a comprehensive marketing solution, mix and match different types of content. So illustrate your stories, or blogs with videos, podcasts and infographics. Give your blogs a good catchy headline. If in doubt, use numbers like we have. For example, 6 ways to tell customers you love them, 5 facts about your product, etc. These kinds of headlines are simple and always attract readers who want resolutions to problems. So solve their problems, establish a rapport with them through your content. Number 3, engage with your customers so they're eager to hear more from you. All digital marketing solutions need social channels to attain the right visibility, engagement and brand exposure. Above all, these social networks act as a channel for your content delivery. Choose the right social tools for your business and then stick to those tools. Update regularly for best results, several times a day. Your social channel objectives need to be clear along with your messages and your customer engagement. Always answer customer queries as soon as possible to establish a relationship and keep it ticking over. Number 4, set up a content and social media calendar. This will help you work through your digital marketing solutions with more clarity. As part of your calendar project, set up social listening campaigns which link with your social media campaigns. Simplify the processes. Repurpose your stories, your multimedia content. Create white papers out of case studies and multiple blogs. Publish ebooks from your white papers. Be creative, but always stick to the calendar. And number 5, analyse your data. Look at the numbers regularly. How many customers did you attract through Twitter, Facebook or YouTube? What do they buy? Look at the data around your content. What particular content drove the most traffic? What can the data tell you about generating more content in that area? Be thorough. To perfect your digital marketing solutions, you need to understand and react to your data analytics. It's something that AIM Internet is particularly good at. So, to find out more about digital marketing solutions, call me on 0870 062 8760 or email me today on info@aiminternet.co.uk.